So this video is to students that having issues with their computers, if they can use their cell phones to do the presentation. I have two students and also have that the computer broke down. So we're trying to see if it's possible to do this using Zoom, recording method in Zoom. So I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen from Zoom. Hopefully all works out. I'm gonna have to go to, I will open up the meta tag as an example. So I'm gonna go share screen. Okay, start broadcasting. Gonna go ahead. Gonna go into my, you can see my screen now. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to my meta tag. You can do that from your phone. Hopefully this is the Lebanese Americans. I'm gonna go ahead and switch to our class. That's the old one. I want to make sure I got the new one. Here we go. Then I'm gonna switch to LinkedIn. You want to go to your portfolio. Click right here. Click on portfolio and show all your portfolio. Then you can go to your Twitter and everything else. I hope this one helps you to go over the issues with the recording. Okay, I'm gonna stop sharing, then stop recording.
Yes. I think I like it. Yes. I think I like it. I think I like it.
So this